is a red Savior Valkyrie combo, a custom combo, homemade. So this is the Savior Valkyrie Karma Zephyr, whereas this is the stock combo. I also already made a video on it. You can see on the I button it have a short driver. Now I fixed it because the spring got broken, but in that video you can see it works like perfectly. But in this video we will talk about this. So you can see it looks almost the same, except that scar on the Valkyrie face that you can see here, that red mark. But Rashad Goodman don't have that. That's why even his Valkyrie don't have it. So this is the Karma, which came with your Longinus, Guilty Longinus. I have a Guilty Longinus cardboard, and this is your Zephyr driver. It's a hollow driver from inside, which have a great stamina because it is plastic, not a rubber contact. So yep, and also a great attack power. So this is what your stock Valkyrie looks like. So here what your stock Valkyrie look like. This is a stock Valkyrie, you can see, and this is the custom combo. See, there are some good movements there, and it makes a nice pattern while spinning. So let's do some test battle. And first test spin from a power launcher. I have a power launcher video, I button, you can watch it, how to make power launcher. It also have a ball bearing. Let's try it. So let's do a battle between custom combo versus custom combo. Roar Bahamut Giga 6 Drift. Now it's Rashad versus Rashad Goodman / Badman, because here's the Rashad Brave Valkyrie, one of the bestest Valkyrie out here, and this is the Valkyrie with so much amount of rubber. It's all covered with rubber, tight rubber, and the driver also have a little bit rubber. I mean hot gun, I'm talking about hot gun, not rubber. Okay, so that's Rashad version of Brave Valkyrie, Rashad version of Savior Valkyrie. Let's do a battle. Dynamite Burial versus Perfect Dynamite Burial, by the way. Yeah, don't have L here, but anyways, Dynamite Burial versus Savior Valkyrie. Savior Valkyrie custom combo versus Awakened Tempest Dragon. Huge size difference. Karma disc that much They didn't scrape like a burial disc. I mean the S gear basically. Karma disc don't scrape that much. Savior Valkyrie versus Astral Spriggan in balance mode, unite mode, as you guys can see. And let's do a test battle. Oh, that was a single hit, guys. And Savior Valkyrie have a nice parts. Most about the blade is really nice. So now round 2, and Valkyries barely won that battle. And next is the Vanish Fafnir. It have a rubber. You can watch the video. I put this rubber, and it can still spin like a real Vanish Fafnir, not at all lying. You guys should check out the video. And let's do a battle. It have a great stamina. Oh my god. Can you imagine Vanish Fafnir being attack type? The rubber absorb all the spin, by the way. And next is the god, the guilty Longinus with a destroyer driver. And as we all know that guilty Longinus beast, and it win. Oh, that was a special move, man. But it lost it. Oh. So guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, then like, and if you want, then you can share too. But subscribe is must. So yep, thanks for watching.